back to Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious and perfect recipe for this hot weather. It's a green ceviche. Yes, it comes out amazing and I'm sure that you guys are going to love it. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. I have Himalaya salt, or the salt you have at home, Mexican oregano, black pepper, 1 aguacate, cilantro, cucumber, tomatillo, a white onion, 2 serrano chilies, lemons, and of course the star, the tilapia fish. And here I have the green habanero salsa. Yes, this is everything you need to make this delicious and amazing green ceviche. So let's get started. I want to start here with my lemons, and these are organic lemons. You know something, these lemons have no seeds and they're small, but you know something, they have a lot of juice. Well, now I am ready to get all the delicious juice out of this small lemons. Of course, I'm not leaving anything behind. This is the best part. When you have organic lemons at home, you know something, they always have so much juice. I have about 1 cup of lemon juice here, and I'm going to reserve it. I have my tilapia fish here, and I'm going to go ahead and start slicing it in very thin little slices, just like that. You want to make sure that all the slices are almost the same size so that they cook completely into the lemon. You know, the lemon is going to cook completely the fish. So this is how you want to cube your tilapia. It really doesn't take too long. I'm going to go ahead, transfer to this plate, and you know something, now I am ready to add all the delicious lemon juice. I'm going to add it completely. Once it is nice and soaked inside, then I'm going to start adding the spices. To make this delicious fish ceviche, I'm going to add some Himalaya salt, like I said, or the salt you have at home. Remember that the salt is to taste. I have the black pepper and the Mexican oregano. Don't skip the Mexican oregano. The Mexican oregano gives it a delicious and amazing flavor. Once you have combined everything in here, make sure that you have enough lemon juice on the fish. Well, this is completely done. I'm going to go ahead and just put a plastic wrap right on the top. And as you could see, the fish is pink and red. But after 45 minutes, you know something, it's going to be cooked already and nice and cooked in the lemon juice. Well, I'm going to cover it. I'm going to put it in the refrigerator for about 45 minutes. While that's in there, I'm going to continue with my veggies. Of course, I'm going to rinse all the veggies. I have already peeled the cucumber and I took the seeds out of the cucumber. The reason that I remove the seeds is so that there is not too much liquid in our ceviche. That's why I remove the seeds from the cucumber. I'm going to go ahead, transfer to this plate, put it aside, and continue with the rest of the ingredients. This ceviche is perfect for this hot weather. I have 2 serrano chilies that, of course, if you don't like spicy food, you could add jalapeno or you could just omit the chili. You know something? This recipe comes out delicious, refreshing
every time. Now I have the white onion, which I'm gonna slice very thinly. You want to make sure that the onion is sliced very thinly, and then just pull it apart. Pull everything apart just like that, and just have it ready. You know something, the onion absorbs the lemon juice so well that you guys are going to love it. I have the tomatillos here, and I'm going to start slicing them and cubing them. I want to make sure that the tomatillo is almost the same size of the fish. You know, that's why you cube everything almost so that everything really incorporates completely when you add everything together. Well, I'm going to continue with the rest. I have my cilantro here, which I'm going to dice very finely. I want the cilantro to really incorporate completely. Of course, that I'm going to fry my tortillas. I'm going to have them nice and crispy, because that's how I want to enjoy this delicious ceviche at home with these homemade tostadas. Look at this. Of course, I made a couple, and I'm going to make some more for my family. But now is the time to reveal the fish. Look at it. It's nice and white. It's no longer pink. It's no longer red. It has already absorbed all the delicious juice of the lemon and cooked in the lemon juice. And here I'm adding all the veggies. Look at this. This looks amazing. The colors look perfect. I'm adding my jalapeno, my serrano chili, because I really love spicy food. Well, now that I have everything in here, you know something? I'm going to incorporate everything. I'm going to make sure that all the veggies are covered in that delicious lemon juice with all those spices. Look at this. This looks amazing. I'm going to go ahead, put it aside, and I have my aguacate here. And this is an organic aguacate. I'm going to slice the aguacate like this, the whole aguacate. And remember, add the aguacate when you are ready to enjoy this delicious ceviche. I'm going to incorporate all the ingredients, making sure that everything is covered with that delicious juice. And when everything is just the way it is now, incorporated, well then, I am ready to top it with the avocado. I'm going to add the avocado on the top, and then I'm just going to move it around, making sure that when you enjoy it, you get a little piece of everything in this delicious ceviche. This looks amazing. I can't wait to prepare my plate. And of course, my family cannot wait either. They are waiting for this to be done. And of course, I'm going to add some green habanero salsa. This habanero salsa really gives it an amazing taste. You guys are really going to love it. Don't skip the habanero salsa, because I know that you guys are going to love that special ingredient in this ceviche. Look at this. You can see all those little pieces, almost the same size. Of course, I have my tostadas ready, and I am ready to make my 2 or 3 tostadas full with this ceviche. Look at this. This looks amazing. And like I said, this is a perfect recipe for this hot weather. Your home doesn't get hot. You enjoy this delicious recipe at home, and you add just what you want to add to your ceviche. I'm adding a little drops of the habanero sauce on the top. And you know something? My mouth is watering, and I can't wait to enjoy it. So I'll see you in a bit.
ceviche. Of course, I love spicy food, and I'm going to add a little bit of this habanero sauce. This habanero sauce gives this such a delicious flavor that you guys need to try it. It's not so hot that you cannot eat it, but you know something? Let me stop talking and let me enjoy this delicious tostada with this green ceviche. I have here some cucumber lemonade that of course you guys already have on my channel. But let me stop talking because I really want to enjoy this delicious tostada. Excuse me. I am sure that your mouth is watering because you know something? This tastes amazing and refreshing. You know something, my friends? When you cook with love, everything comes out perfect. This is a perfect recipe for this hot weather. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make a delicious recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And of course, I will stay enjoying these delicious green ceviche made at home with lots of love. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.